Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing the accounts you will link together. Create or confirm one Ubisoft account that matches your Xbox Live email address. Sign into Xbox Live on your PC so the gamer tag and credentials are available. Verify your Ubisoft account email and enable two-factor authentication for added security. Close Siege and other Ubisoft apps before linking to avoid sync conflicts. Note that having one consistent email across accounts prevents duplicate save files and makes cross-progression possible without manual data merging. Next, link your Xbox account to your Ubisoft account for cross-progression. Open Ubisoft Connect on PC or sign in at the Ubisoft website and navigate to account settings. Click Linked Accounts, choose Xbox Live, and follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. Confirm the link and enable cross-progression in the same menu if prompted. Close Ubisoft Connect, restart your PC. Then launch Rainbow Six Siege on PC to allow cloud progression to sync automatically with your Xbox progress. If your Siege account does not appear on PC after linking, try a stepwise troubleshooting approach. Sign out of both Ubisoft Connect and Xbox Live, restart your PC, and sign back into Ubisoft Connect first. Verify two-factor authentication is active and your Ubisoft email is confirmed to prevent link errors. If issues persist, capture screenshots of linked accounts and open the Ubisoft support portal. Provide your Ubisoft ID, Xbox gamer tag, and a brief description of the sync problem for direct assistance from support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.